Today I will talk about how can you enable Anki card money on your Anki Droid app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you just click here on general. When you just click here on general, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, come here to Anki card menu. Just click here in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here Anki card menu enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.